Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you are here it means that you are shipping something valuable. It have value like valuable. That's it I think. And you need to protect it. So you can add insurance when purchasing like labels on Etsy by going through the shop manager again. So insurance again. All we can do about it is actually you can access it from the app if you only want to use the app, but it's always best to go through the website. So for you guys, it's always Etsy.com. We just tap on the link, come here and log in using our email address and password to access the shop manager. So this is the shop manager as you see. All you can do here is tap on shop manager once you logged in, then go and check orders and shipping. Open the order, click get shipping label, then scroll to add insurance. Then enter the coverage amount, review the added cost, and tap on purchase. As for like a bonus tips, some companies or careers include limited free coverage. You can add extra insurance for high value or fragile items. For example, if you are selling a music instrument, or if you are selling something valuable, you can do so. You can always keep proof of item value. Like if you have any receipts or anything else that would actually be a good proof of the item value, you should keep it. So you can use it in the bad case scenario, and that's the whole idea here. So whenever you need something important about your shop, just go through the basically shop manager and you will find it there. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.